Did you know that certain plants thrive better in specific rooms of your home? This can transform your indoor space into a vibrant green oasis. Indoor gardening is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating an environment where both you and your plants can thrive together. Let's start in the living room. This is often the heart of the home and a place for relaxation. Here, larger plants like the fiddle leaf fig or the rubber plant shine. They love bright, indirect light and add a bold architectural element to your decor. Their large leaves also do an excellent job at purifying the air. Next, consider the kitchen. It's a place of activity, heat, and moisture. Herbs are your best friends here. Basil, mint, and parsley thrive in the kitchen environment. They enjoy the humidity and can be conveniently snipped for cooking. Place them on your windowsill for an easy reach and a touch of green. Moving on to the bathroom. This room can be tricky due to its fluctuating humidity and light levels, but it's not impossible. The snake plant and pothos are resilient choices. They do well in low light and high humidity. Plus, they're known for their air-purifying qualities, making them perfect for this space. The bedroom deserves special attention. It's a restful retreat where peace is essential. Lavender and jasmine are great picks here. Both have calming scents that can help improve sleep quality. They need a good amount of light, so a position near a window is ideal. The home office is where focus and productivity matter most. The peace lily can improve concentration and productivity by filtering the air. It also thrives in moderate light conditions, making it a versatile choice for any office setup. Finally, don't forget the hallway. Often overlooked, this space can be brightened up with trailing plants like ivy or philodendrons. They require minimal care and adapt well to the varying light conditions typically found in hallways. When choosing plants for each room, consider their specific light and humidity needs. Also, think about your own lifestyle and how much time you can dedicate to plant care. Some plants require more attention than others. For beginners, low-maintenance plants like succulents or ZZ plants are excellent choices. Indoors or outdoors, light is the most critical factor for plant health. Plants like succulents or cacti need direct sunlight, while ferns may require more shade. Position your plants accordingly to ensure they receive optimal light. Humidity is another vital factor. Bathrooms and kitchens naturally have higher humidity levels, which some plants love. If your home is dry, consider misting your plants or using a pebble tray with water to increase humidity. Each room in your home presents a unique environment for different types of plants. Choosing the right one can enhance the space visually and functionally. It can also improve your mood and indoor air quality. Understanding these basics can make a dramatic difference in how your indoor garden flourishes. You'll enjoy healthier plants and a more inviting home. Remember, the right plant in the right place makes all the difference. In the end, cultivating an indoor garden tailored to each room is about more than just filling space. It's about creating a harmonious living environment that reflects your personality and lifestyle. As you explore the world of indoor gardening, you'll discover that the possibilities are endless. Your home can become a sanctuary that nurtures both you and your plants.